Hi, welcome back. Johnny from Greentop Landscapes. We'll just continue with this theme in this garden, and I wanted to talk to you and explain to you about the grass. The grass that we've used here is a purpose-grown, cultivated grass, and it's made up of a dwarf perennial ryegrass, and if you look, there's a continuity, so all the grass looks the same. What you don't want to be using is a meadow turf, which has got a combination of all sorts of grasses in there, and as you can see, there's a consistency through the grass. You can see the stripes in the grass. That's just basically the way that we've laid it. We've rolled it out one way and then rolled back the other way, giving stripes in the garden. You can achieve these stripes in the garden with your mower by just mowing down and mowing up on the next end. It's just sending the pile of in the grass different ways. It's so important that when you're laying lawns that you lay it on good soil. In general, on new developments, it's never very good. The ground is normally severely compacted from the rough terrain fork trucks that run up and down the back of these houses, servicing all the different trades, and then they don't loosen the ground up. So aeration is important. We've made the ground levels up on this garden to ensure that it's nice and level. So it was a really horrible drop away on the one side. We've kept it off the building next door. We've got a retainer between there, so that works there, ensuring that they're not going to have any damp. But aeration is important. It really is important. If you really need to get a good quality lawn, you need to maintain it. You need to put the work into it. One of the things that you need to watch out also with lawns, especially with new lawns, is that you can get a lot of pests and diseases. Okay, and one of the worst things is the crane fly, and they produce a grub called the leather jacket, which can eat the root system. But in general, where the turf comes from, they would have been treated before for these types of things, so your lawn's going to stand a chance. Already with this has been down a week. I haven't touched it, but let's have a look now. Let's pull this up. Look, you can hear it now. You'll see all the new root system already growing in, and it's bedded in. The reason for that, what we've actually done, is that when we've laid the lawn, though we've given it lots of raking over to achieve that the ultimate level what we're looking for, we've boarded it over and we sledged the board to make sure that it's nice and flat on the top. This is going to need several cuts soon, probably in about a week's time, but we'll get the client to cut out a high cut initially and then reducing the cuts over the next few weeks. But we've soaked it, we've had dry weather, and what we don't want to be doing is walking on there now because we're going to have divots in. If you need any advice, go to the website, which is www.greentoplandscapes.co.uk. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram and see what we're doing. Or alternatively, give Alison a ring in the office on 01633 896 007. See you in the next video.